Focus there. You can see him right there. There's there's our subject.
There's me.
Oh,
and there's the fall. I'm on my butt.
So we came here to this camp on Vancouver Island to make 2 videos in 5 days. So 5 crazy days of production.
Whoa. Who that? Yeah, all the people that watch my vlog. All 4 of them.
All your 4 followers.
What is this?
This is an exoskeleton.
We're shooting the opening night of this camp thing, and I was on the Ronin up close on the stage, and sure enough, this firework explodes within like a foot to the left of me. A visual example.
Right next to me there, a firework goes off.
It's awesome though.
Singed on your booty.
It's the highlight of my day.
Yeah.
Actually, it's going really well. It's going so well. I mean,
we all learned a few lessons today.
we learned some things today. He got a towel that's a backpack. Look at that. Look at this backpack.
Hey, we can end the day on that positive note right there.
End the day on the positive note of a backpack towel.
This is a positive note.
It pretty much just gets a really stable shot. That's the point. It just lets you stay stable for a long time. Because like just holding this thing really starts to mess with you. Makes me look like a cyborg, which is super positive.
I would say they're doing really well.
What day are we at here?
This is our last day. Let's go to this Ronin over here. He's got it all
What are we shooting
covered up in. Oh, we're gonna shoot water slide, lots of water things with soapy bubbles. So Josh here got the Ronin all covered up with a lot of fluorescent tape and plastic. I hope it doesn't overheat in there.
You're gonna attach to that zip line, and I'm gonna hold on to you with my yellow rope, and then I get to cut you loose.
That's green.
That's yellow to me.
Ice and sugar.
And that's just like the perfect like waterfront intro shot. So good. And then check this out when he goes around to the side
I
here.
saw him do
Like,
that.
now he goes.
Yeah,
Right?
totally.
And that, like, look at that
Oh.
shot, dude. Oh man.
Ryan is fired up.
Oh dude. I'm so happy today worked out as well as it did.
Mine went great. Why wouldn't it go great? I was droning. I drone on and on and on and on.
Yes, we just actually wrapped.
Josh, are we wrapped?
No, because I'm still packing. I'm wrapping this cable.
High five.
That's a wrap.
We did it.
And so we just wrapped about 5 minutes ago getting our last shots down at the beach. So it's about 12 o'clock and we're packing up our gear and I'm leaving on a sailing trip tomorrow. So the shoot went really well. It was a blast. Love working with these guys and it was a ton of fun. So this week, life on the left coast. I'll get back to you guys after I go sailing. Woohoo!